Let's come over and look at CL next, which just to keep us on our toes in everything that we're watching. CL went and invalidated its impulse yesterday, bless it. So we're just looking for this final 5-wave structure up to here. And the original target off the weekly chart was this 1.0. If this had developed or continued to develop as an impulse, it had pointed quite a lot higher. It has morphed into a diagonal. Therefore, this target around the 77, 73 to 78 level is the target we're looking for once again to complete all of this larger degree 3 in CL. And go back and look at the weekly and monthly charts. This is a diagonal, so we're expecting a deep 4 to at least the 50%, more likely with CL all the way down to the 764. So 46 to 55 is the range for this 4 once this move completes. And I would expect, you know, again, you've just seen in a perfect example in the ES and S&P 500 of what to expect on the completion of a diagonal. If this is an ending diagonal up, when we get to the top, we will be back at 65 in next to no time at all in CL. But in the meantime, the structure to the upside off the low, A, B, C for this one, 2, A, B, C into the 138.2 for the 3. I've got an A, B, C. We hit and held. I think Brian put a notification out in the forum last evening, right onto the 618 retrace, and we're bouncing at the moment. Need higher to confirm that that is the low. So we need to ideally take out 73.08. Otherwise, we can still get a drop down to 68.89, the 764, 786 cluster down here. But at the moment, it's looking relatively strong for it. Initially, we need over 72.6. And I have got quite a nice, you know, there's the 5 down for the A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's structured quite well. And then going down to the 15-minute chart, just this last little subwave off the 4, I've got an A, B, C, 1, 2, A, B, C, 3. That's the 138.2, 4, A, B, C into the 2.0. So I've got a very nicely completed diagonal for that last bit. Over 72.5 here would go a long way to confirming we've got the low in. Looking for 5 up, 3 back, and we can get long today in CL. Meanwhile, here's your day trading chart, and just looking for it to take out these lines up here, and then that 72.5 after that in CL. Okay, let's go over and have a look at NG next. Now, this is kind of messy stuff off this high. This high was a hit on the 786 retrace for this B wave. And we've got 1 or 2 things going on. Brian's monitoring one of them and I'm monitoring the other effectively. What I'm looking at here is this 1 down to here, 2, A, B, C for a deep 3 in a diagonal, A, B, C expecting a deep 4, and that needs to hold below this 2 here. I think if we take out 33.58, then revert to the count Brian has for one last high over the 33.68 in NG. At the moment though, it's held where it needed to for this 4, 5 down to here for an A. I'm looking for it to hold 32.52, certainly below 32.70 here, and come down. If it takes out 32.70, it can go all the way to 33.09 for this alt 4 in the diagonal and down. We need another local low is the headline from all of that. And even then, all we've got off the top is a potential leading diagonal. Diagonals are less reliable than impulse waves, and we've not taken out any significant support below us. So early stages of a potential top in NG, but we need more. If we do take out the top today, then, as I say, revert to the levels and comments from Brian's posts over the last few mornings. I think I cut and pasted yesterday's into my early morning review post for the NG even this morning.